Due to high lumber prices and contractors aren't going to be ordering 5 or 6 extra boards just so they can get a few straight boards for their stair stringers. And this wasn't a problem when I first started out. If I had some bad boards, I would just simply flip them off of the pile. I wouldn't use them. But that's not the case today. So how do we deal with using crowned lumber to cut straight stair stringers? And I think the best suggestion I could give you would be to snap a line on the most convenient part of the board to create a straight line. And then use the circular saw to cut a straight line, or the straightest line you possibly can. Or use this line to lay out your stair stringers. Then you can either discard the piece that you cut or attach it to the other side. And yes, this works. I'm not saying the structural engineer is going to like it. But if all you ordered was 3 pieces of lumber and you don't have a straight one in the bunch, then you can go ahead and lay out the stair stringer using the straight edge. Then we can go ahead and cut our stair stringer pattern and then use that pattern in the most creative way we possibly can by setting it on top of the other lumber that isn't straight and trying to position it into place to create the strongest stair stringers we possibly can. And some of you are probably wondering, well, what am I going to do here? Well, if I have something like this, or possibly something like this, I might just leave it, depending on what I'm using for my risers and my treads. For example, if I'm using 1/2-inch plywood for my risers, I'm probably going to want to cut a piece and attach it to the stringer. However, if I'm using 2x8s for the risers and 1 1/8 plywood for the treads, I might not need to. So again, just simply position the lumber in whatever way you think it's going to provide you with the most strength for your project. Then simply grab your pencil and mark along the sides of the pattern until you have a nice stair stringer that will create a straight upper section of the stairway, and hope you don't need to drywall the bottom of it.